India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
Order of the court is acquitting, saying that there is absolutely no evidence against the accused, especially accused number one. We have claimed specifically that we were framed as a political witch hunt. That was our case. And basically the prosecution could not prove the guilt of the accused, and as a result of that we got a acquittal in the matter.
The Anand Arbekar case, wherein the charge sheet was filed in 2001, and today the judge passed an order acquitting all the accused of all the charges which has been alleged against our client.
आज म्हाकाय खूब विश्वास आशिल्लो कोर्टाचेर की हातूंतल्यान कांयच उत्पन्न जावचें ना, पूण इतलेंच की आमकां 21 वर्सां खूब त्रास काडचे पडले.
2 words, सत्यमेव जयते. सत्याचो आज विजय जाला आणि आमी जे लोकांक सांगलेले की आमचो हितून कांय सहभाग ना, DCAचे जे मेंबर आसा तेंच्यांनी कांयच अफरातफरी करूंक ना, कॉन्स्पिरसी करूंक ना आणि खंयतरूच कितें तरी 4 पयशे बोल्सांत घातले.